Lisa. Welcome back, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today I have a Wantable box for you guys. It's quite heavy actually, like really heavy. I don't know, doesn't it usually say the weight on the box somewhere? I don't know, like this is heavy. I'm thinking lots of jeans. And in the Wantable feed, I don't know if you guys really know much about Wantable. It's $20 a box. And then a stylist styles it for you, sends it out to you. You keep what you want, return what you don't, free shipping. The one thing I don't like about Wantable is that it's a UPS drop-off. And it's a little bit further for me to go than, say, the post office. But other than that, it's an okay box. It's not my favorite. In fact, I'm thinking this may be one of my last boxes. Maybe I'll do one more. I think this is my 5th Wantable, and I just don't seem to get the styles that I want or need from this box. I don't feel like I can give as much feedback as I like. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how this one goes, and I'll play it by ear from there. And hey, who knows? A better wardrobe starts here. Wantable. I don't know about that. My wardrobe hasn't started so great out here with Wantable. Ooh. Lots of color in this one, guys. That's a lot of stuff. I feel like I don't normally get this much stuff from Wantable either. This is like a teal-y pair of jeans, so that could be interesting. Those are either going to look really good or they're going to look really bad because they're teal, and I feel like they're going to be skinny and they could show off a lot of stuff. But we'll see. So, of course, you get your free shipping. And this is United States Postal Service. I swear Wantable was UPS drop-off. I know Trunk Club's UPS drop-off. What has UPS drop-offs besides Trunk Club? Well, now I'm like, just take back everything I said. They had to change because I know that this box is normally UPS. So my stylist was Kara, and she said she has many great transitional pieces for me this spring. It's time to refresh my trends and staples. And this edit, that's what they call their box. She made sure to act with many of your requests from the stream for pieces like the super skinny jean and ocean. Oh, so I requested those in the stream. Fun. Use the next 5 days to decide which are a must-have and send us back the rest, which is what Wantable is. It is, you get to keep everything for 5 days. I don't always see a lot of what I like in the stream. I feel like it's a little bit more business attire, and I work from home, so I don't necessarily need business attire. I might go out and meet a client or something maybe once or twice a month. Otherwise, I'm in my home office on the phone. So we'll start off with the double V-neck tee, and I know I did request this. I think that it came through my feed in like 5 different colors, and I think I requested every color because I thought the double V-neck in the back and the front was really cute. I thought it could look cute with a skirt or jeans or whatnot. Second item is this Dolman V-neck short sleeve. This could be adorable. I like the color. This is lacy. Now, I'm not sure about the lace, but I'll give it all a try. So it's like almost goes to your elbow length. It does have like a little cami underneath it. And when I say little, I mean little. Short, I guess I mean short. I mean short. I think this could be really cute. We'll see. Oh, so she must have just been like, hey, this lady requested all of these V-neck shirts. We're gonna send all of them, every color. Every color. That's good. It's a pretty blue. I like blue. Oh, and then so I got a double V-neck, and it looks like a 3/4 length sleeve with a seam going down the front and the back, or the back and the front. I'm not sure. Nope, this is the back. Same difference. And it does look like it's going to be a little bit high-low. And then here are the jeans, the ocean jeans. These are cute. They look tiny. Lisa's gained some weight over the past couple months. And by weight, I mean a substantial amount of weight, like a good 15 pounds. So I might need to go in. I'm normally a size 10. These are a 30, which is a size 10. They're not all that stretchy, so these could not work for me. Is there something there on the, oh, it's just a thread. Just a thread. We'll try them on. You never know. And then a gray pair of Dear Johns. I've had luck with Dear Johns. These look a little short. They do. They look a little short. So I'm not sure about these, but they're also in a size 10. So we'll see. We'll get to trying on and see what we like. So I think that is, yeah, that's it. I feel like there was more in that box than that. Let's see what my total is. Let's just do the total thing here now, and we'll just see what we got. So for everything, it is $458. Whew, that's crazy. So if I keep more than five or more items, I would get a 20% discount, which would be $91.60. My styling fee would be taken off of that, the $20, and so this total box would be $346.40. It's kind of a lot, but we'll just start trying stuff on. We'll see what we like. We'll see what we do, and we'll go from there. So I'll see you guys back in a sec. Okay, guys. So here is the first outfit. I don't like the shirt. I think it kind of looks weird right here, but then these slits, the way they have them cut, I actually think it makes me look wider. I don't know if they're meaning to make somebody look thinner, but to me, I feel like it makes me look wider, and I don't like how this is like kind of draping here. The shirt does have seams going down the sleeves, down the front, and then down the back. Here's a back look of it. The jeans I actually like. They're a little tight, but I know they'll probably stretch out a bit. The length is perfect for like a spring, summer length. They're a little bit lower cut than I would probably like. But I love the color. I think they're really cute. So yeah, so here is the first one. So I think I'll pop over the white lace with this. I think everything else mainly will go with the gray jeans. That's the problem when I get colored jeans like this. I don't ever know like exactly what to wear with them. I don't know. So I'll be back with the white lace. Okay guys, here is the white lace top. If you've seen any of my other videos, I've said that I love this sleeve length. I think it is very attractive on everybody. I think overall, I think this is a really cute top. I love it with these pants. Throw on a quick pair of, you know, flip-flop slides or whatever, and I think you could go out for spring or for spring. You could go out for spring in this outfit. Come on now, spring in this outfit. No, it would be really cute for spring or for summer. I do like it. I'd have to wear a different bra with it. You can see my black bra through it, but other than that, I think it's pretty cute. Would depend on the price. So there's that. We'll try on the gray jeans. Okay, so here is the gray jeans and the berryish pink colored shirt. The jeans are way too short. I'll step back and let you see. I just don't like, I don't like them this short. They have a little bit more stretch than the blue jeans. They're the same low waist. The shirt is cute. Just your normal Dolman top. Color's pretty. There's the back. It'd be nice, I'm on this double V thing, if you guys can't tell, my whole box was double V. I think this would be really cute if the had a V in the back as well. And so here is this. So we'll try on the other, I think I have two more tops, the black and the blue. So we'll try those two on and let's see what we think about those. I'll give you one more shot of it around. All right, I'll be back. All right, so here is the black tee, double V neck. I do like the double V. I don't like this ribbed, it's gonna show up. Kind of that ribbed material, almost kind of what you think of like an Old Navy tank top, you know, the ribbed stuff. It's a cute tee. I don't think, I remember how much it was. In fact, I shouldn't say I don't remember how much it was because I've not even looked to see how much this was. So we depend on the price, but it's by Wantable. I'm assuming it's going to be about $48. That seems to be about what their prices are. But I think it fits nice, and again, I like the double V. I think I might like it better in the blue. So let's go to that one. Here it is in the blue, the double V neck ribbed shirt. And I did look at the tag before I pulled this one on, and it's $44, so that means the black one should be $44 too. I don't like it. I usually don't like the ribs. I love this color, but it's hugging everything. Even in the back, you can see it's holding on. Or it's clinging. I guess it's clinging. So I don't think this one's going to be for me, but I do love the color, so I thought I would give you guys a look at that. And then I'll come back with my
guys, I'm back from the try-on, and I don't think I'm going to probably be keeping anything as of right now. I normally retry everything back on if there's something I'm kind of thinking about, and maybe I'll retry on those jeans that they are calling the ocean colored jeans. I have my invoice here, and they're showing that those are $88, and I don't know that I love them $88 worth. I shouldn't even say I don't know if I love them. I don't love them $88 worth, so maybe I just made my decision right there. If they were mid-rise or high-rise, hands down, those jeans would be mine, because I love the color. I think that they're really cute, but they're not what I typically will wear, so I know I shouldn't keep them because I won't wear them. So there you go. Those are going to go back. And the only other thing I really liked out of it was the lace top, and that was by Wantable, and then it's $78. And I don't think that I would wear that $78 worth to be worth for me to keep. So pretty sure everything's going to be going back in this box, which kind of makes me sad because I just did my Stitch Fix yesterday, and I think I'm going to be sending everything back in my Stitch Fix as well. So maybe I'm just not supposed to buy anything this month. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Let me know what you guys think. Please like and please subscribe, and you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.